This is me making buttermilk pancakes for the very first time. The family's in town, what better breakfast to have on a weekend morning than some pancakes with the homemade applesauce. This is Buttermilk Pancakes, baking 20.05. Making buttermilk pancakes is pretty foolproof since the buttermilk always guarantees to have those fluffy, beautiful pancakes. And for the ingredients, you're probably going to have everything already at home. First, melt the butter. You're going to need flour, baking powder and baking soda. Add the salt. By the way, you're going to find the amounts and the entire recipe down in the description below. Whisk everything and make your well in the center. Crack eggs into well. Start whisking and pour the buttermilk slowly into your mixture. Starting in the center, whisk everything together, moving towards the outside of the bowl. Don't overbeat, you just want to get the dry ingredients wet. Then pour the melted butter into the mixture. I have to use a little bit more of milk because I'm using whole wheat flour. This is how your batter should look like. Very nice creamy consistency of the batter. You should start baking your batter right away. Use a non-sticking pan and add some oil. I use coconut oil. And preferably bake them over medium heat. Flip the pancakes when you see bubbles on the surface and the bottoms are brown. It should take you 2 to 4 minutes depending on the heat you're using. And that's already it. It seems it turned out pretty nicely. I try also the homemade applesauce for the first time today and add some Canadian maple syrup on top of it. Alright, that's it. Buttermilk pancakes, homemade applesauce and Canadian maple syrup and a little bit cinnamon on top. This is exactly how a great good morning looks like. If you like this foolproof pancakes recipe, please leave a thumbs up.